Hello, I'm Fiona from ShiFio Patterns, and today I'm going to show you how to do the invisible 3 chain. I will be making the invisible 3 chain into a row of double crochets. This would replace the 3 chain at the start of a treble, row or round. This is one made with a 3 chain, and you can see the gap between it and the treble. Okay, so we start by making 1 chain, and then you put your hook through the next stitch, then you do your yarn over hook, twist it to catch it and pull it through, then yarn over the hook, twist to catch it and pull it through 2 loops, and this is basically a double crochet. So you insert your hook between the 2 loops here, right in there. I'll show you. I'll pull the 2 loops apart so you can see that there you can get your hook in there. So insert your hook between the loops, yarn over hook, twist to catch it, pull it through, then yarn over hook, twist to catch it and pull it through the 2 loops, and then that's it made. I'll just go ahead and do a treble so you can see that the difference. As you're going to see, there's no gap there, but there is if you do the traditional 3 chain right there. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. So you do 1 chain, hook into the next stitch, yarn over hook, twist to catch it and pull it through. That's the actual 2 loops you would insert it between when you've made the double crochet there. Insert the hook between those 2 loops, yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through. As you can see, I'll lay them out here and you can see the difference between the 2. There's quite a gap there and there's no gap there. It's nice and tidy. This is what we use at the start of our projects that have a treble row or round. I hope you like the video. If you do, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.